In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download the blockchain.com Buy Bitcoin app. To get started, pick up your phone and open the app store that matches your device. If you're using an iPhone, open the Apple App Store. If you're on an Android phone or tablet, open the Google Play Store. This is the official place to safely download apps. So it's always a good idea to install from here rather than from links on other websites or messages. Once the store is open, tap on the search bar at the top of the screen and type in blockchain.com Buy Bitcoin. Take a moment to check that the app name matches exactly, since there can sometimes be similar looking apps in the results. Verifying the name helps make sure you're downloading the correct app and not a copy or unrelated listing. When you find blockchain.com Buy Bitcoin in the search results, tap the download button. On iPhone, this may appear as get. On Android, it will usually say install. Depending on your settings, your device might ask you to confirm with Face ID, Touch ID, your fingerprint, or your device passcode before the download begins. That's completely normal and is just part of your phone's built-in security process. Now give the app a few moments to download and install. The amount of time this takes can depend on your internet speed and your device, but in most cases it should only take a short while. Make sure you stay connected to Wi-Fi or mobile data so the download can finish without interruption. As soon as the installation is complete, you'll see the option to open the app. Go ahead and tap open to launch it for the first time. You can also usually find the app icon on your home screen or in your app library if you want to open it later. That's it. You've successfully downloaded and opened the blockchain.com Buy Bitcoin app. If you're following along for setup or the next part of the process, make sure the app opens correctly and loads fully before moving on. Taking a few extra seconds here can help avoid confusion later. In the next step, you'll be ready to continue inside the app itself.